Hi, this is Tobias from the CalendarApp team. Today I would like to show you a feature that is only available for our paid account customers. It's about making the settings for the emails that the system is sending out automatically for you. So we log in into our account, to our profile, and then we see on the right side email settings. The most important thing here is that you can set the sender email of your automated emails. That means that your email address that you put in here will be the sender email address for the people who receive your automated email. So the good thing about that is when they just answer your email, they will directly send that email back to you and not back to the CalendarApp system. So just put in your own email address in here. So that's the most important change you can do there, because it makes everything much easier for you and your client. So the next thing you can do is upload a logo that will appear in your emails. So we just use our CalendarApp logo in this example, and then we can just change the image size, and we can also change the surroundings so that the logo will be nicely within a box. So next thing we can do is change color settings for fonts and backgrounds and link colors, so you can adapt that to make it fit to the look of your own website. And then don't forget to push the button Edit Profile on the top right to save your settings. Now that we've saved the settings, we can now compare. This is like the standard email that we would be getting, and if we would make a test booking and would send the email again, it would look like this. So this is the changes that we just did. So in case you're a little bit more advanced on HTML, you can do even a little bit more. For that, you would have to go to the respective calendar, to Options, and down to Edit. Then you go to Language and Emails on top. And there you have access to the HTML code, which is in the footer of the emails. So if you're capable of using HTML, you can completely configure this part all by yourself. So if you're not really sure about HTML, there are easy tutorials online that you can find in Google and anywhere, and in YouTube, of course. So if you want to work into that, here is your way of using it for the emails. So this is our result for now. So just go ahead, and down below on the very bottom, that's the area that you could change with your knowledge of HTML. But if you don't have any HTML knowledge, just leave it as it is. Of course, you can copy the HTML code. You see that you have a different footer for each email, but if your email footer is always the same, you can just set it up once and then copy it through all the footers. And then never forget to save what you did. And if you have any more questions, you can consult our support pages or email us. Thanks for listening. Bye.